Hello students, welcome back. This is Shivaleela from Upper School. So as I said, let us go to the next exercise today. Okay? Now, see in the previous classes, in the previous clipping, we have completed second exercise, isn't it? First exercise we have completed. Even the second exercise also we have completed. And a few problems I gave you as your work, right? Have you done it? Hope all of you have done it, right? You have to also. Then only you will get to know, isn't it? Yes. You can use a clock to find the answers. Okay, that's not an issue. Now, let us go to the next exercise. So that is exercise 5.3. Here in this exercise, this is completely based on angle, types of angle and measuring the angle. Come on, let us. First one, match the following. Straight angle, here this side, they gave in terms of revolution. Less than 1/4 of revolution, more than half of a revolution, half of a revolution, 1/4 of a revolution, between 1/4 and 1/2 of a revolution, one complete revolution. Okay, so straight angle means this one. Means how many right angles? 2, no. That means it is half of a revolution, isn't it? Right? So this one. Right? Next, right angle means one right angle. So one right angle means how much? 1/4 of a revolution, isn't it? So this is 1/4 of a revolution. That is nothing but 2. Next, acute angle. Acute angle, it lies between 0 angle and 1/4 of revolution. Less than right angle. Less than right angle means less than 1/4 of revolution now, right? So it is less than 1/4 of revolution. Okay. Next, obtuse angle. This is more than right angle and less than straight angle, isn't it? More than right angle and less than straight angle. That is what here. Between 1/4 of a revolution and half of a revolution, right? So obtuse angle will be here. So this is 4. Next, reflex angle. A reflex angle means more than half of a revolution. More than straight angle means more than half of a revolution, isn't it? So this is here. That is 5th one. And one extra option is given, one complete revolution. One complete revolution represents complete angle. Okay? Yes. Now, let us go to the next bit. Classify each one of the following angles as right angle, straight angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, and reflex angle. Right? Now, first one. See this one. What type of angle is this? This is acute. Because more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, isn't it? So that's it. No need to measure only. Directly we can, because we have 4 standard angles here. I'll just draw and show you. Okay. 4 standard angles, that is 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and 360 degree. Right? This is 0 degree. No revolution. 90 degree. Started vertical, horizontal. Straight angle. 180 degree. Complete angle. Means one complete revolution completed. So the angle which is more than this and less than this, in between, will be acute. Okay, more than 0 degree, less than 90 degree, and more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree will be obtuse. Obtuse angle. acute angle and obtuse angle. Next, more than 180 degree and less than complete angle means 360 degree will be a reflex angle. Reflex angle. Right? So, see, initially I'll show you with some examples. Okay? See here. You just imagine these are the initial and final. If both the rays are one on one another, there is no movement. Initial ray and final ray are on one another. So they did not start to move. That is nothing but 0 angle. If it started and it doesn't reach this vertical angle, just started means more than 0 degree, less than 90 degree is nothing but acute. Okay, acute angle. This is what I wrote here. Next, when it reaches with horizontal and vertical, it measures exactly 90 degree. This is right angle. Again, if it starts to move more than 90 degree, less than a straight line, straight angle, right? More than 90 degree. This is nothing but obtuse angle. More than 90, less than 180 is nothing but obtuse angle. Then obviously this is both initial ray and final ray makes a straight line, right? This is nothing but straight angle, 180 degree. Then again if it starts to move more than 180 degree and less than complete, right? That is nothing but reflex angle. If it complete one rotation and reach this one only, that is complete angle, one full revolution. Got it? Yes. So this is what I'm writing here, right? So see here, this is more than 90 degree. So therefore, this is obtuse angle. Okay. Next, see, this is horizontal and this is vertical. So therefore, this is right angle. Without measuring, just by saying we can guess the type of angle, right? See, this is more than semicircle, right? Straight angle, semicircle. More than semicircle means more than 180. It's nothing but a reflex angle. Reflex angle. Okay. Next, see, this is completely semicircle. Straight line. So therefore, it is straight angle. Okay. Straight angle. Next here, both angles. These two are acute only. Okay. Both are acute angles. Right? Yes. So this so easy and so little exercise. Small exercise it was. Okay. Next we'll go to the next exercise. That next 5.4 is very lengthy. So in one video, half an hour, one video, we can't. So therefore, what we'll do? We'll complete half here, means now, and the remaining half we'll do it later. Okay? Yes. Let us start exercise 5.4. Okay? 5.4. First one. So what is the measure of? What is the measure of first one? Right angle, I'll write it down. Okay. Measure of right angle and straight angle. Just now I said, what is the measure of right angle and straight angle? Yes. What? The measure of right angle is 90 degree The measure of straight angle is 180 degree. Okay? Yes. Next one is say true or false. Actually, that is your work. You have to do it by yourself. Okay? Shall we? Come on. I'll read it out. I'll read this statement. You say this. I mean, is it a true or false? The measure of an acute angle is less than 90 degree. Okay, I'll write and I'll just explain. Okay, say true or false. Okay, first one. The measure of an acute angle is less than 90 degree. Is it true or false? Yes. The measure of acute angle is always less than 90 degree. So therefore, it is true. Right? Yes. Next one. The measure of an obtuse angle. The measure of an obtuse angle is less than 90 degree. Just now, acute angle we said less than 90 degree. Then obtuse angle, it is also, it is more than 90 degrees. So therefore, that is false. Next, the measure of a reflex angle. The measure of a reflex angle. Is more than 180 degree. Yes, obviously, right? It is reflecting a straight angle. So therefore, this is true. Right? Next, the measure of one complete revolution. The measure of one complete revolution is equals to 360 degrees. Right? What is the measure of one complete revolution? 360 degree only. So therefore, this is also true. Right? If it is true, no need to give much more explanation. If it is false, we have to correct it. We should give the explanation why is it false, what is the correct statement. Right? Yes. Next one. If measure of angle A is 53 degree and measure of angle B is 35 degree, then measure of angle A is greater than measure of angle B. Is it right or wrong? Yes. Is it right or wrong? See, they said measure of angle A is 53 degree, angle B is 35 degree. Then obviously angle A is greater than angle B no. Yes. So therefore, this is also true. Right? Yes. Now, next, it is your work that you have to say, you have to write down some measures of acute angle and obtuse angle. You can write it by yourself. Okay? More than 0 degree and less than 90 degree means from 1 degree to 89 degree, all are acute angles. You can write anyone. Along with that, you can draw also the same measurement. And obtuse angle. Some obtuse angles, any two at least. Okay? Any two. From 91 degree to 179 means more than 90, less than 180 are obtuse angles. So you can give. Next is to measure. So this is what the instrument we call protractor. Okay? Pronunciation is also important. Protractor we will use. This is the instrument used to measure what? Angles, isn't it? So you just See this properly. It will be having this baseline. This is a baseline, right? You can observe your protractor also. Okay, you can observe your protractor also. This is the center point. Every protractor will be having. These are the parts of protractor. This is the center point. This is the baseline. This one from inside 0, 10. This is inner scale. Outer scale 0 starts from here. And most of the students will get confused here only. When to refer inner scale and when to refer outer scale. See here, we have to keep this pointer on the vertex. Okay, from where those two rays starts. For example, if this is a line, ray, we have to keep this center point on this. And we have to make either this baseline or this baseline on any of this ray. Okay, and then we have to check where is the other ray. See, while measuring, okay, see, if I make this baseline to merge on the initial ray, then where is 0 you have to observe. 0 is inside here, so you have to refer inner scale, that is 60 degree. Okay, if you make to merge this side, okay, here where in which ray, initial ray, on which baseline it is, you have to see the 0. Where is 0, inside or outside? If it is inside, you have to refer inner scale. If it is outside, you have to refer outer scale. You will get same answer, that is 60. So you can observe, right? 60. Outer scale also will give the same result. Inner scale also will give the same result. But if you make baseline, this side baseline to merge on the initial ray, and if you refer outer scale, it will be wrong. Because this side 0 is inside. So you have to refer inner scale only. Okay. On this side, 0 is outside. So you have to refer outer scale. Did you get it? So this is how we have to use to measure the given ray or angle, right? If to draw it's very easy. First to draw an initial ray without any measurement and all, then keep the center point here, baseline to merge on that, and measure if you are about to draw 75 degree, inner scale is showing 0, so 75 here, draw it. Over. Very easy, right? Funny also, isn't it? Yes. Why I said this one? Because fourth bit is all about using protractor only. Okay. Shall we? Yes. You just to do that, hold your textbook. Take your textbook. Take your protractor. Start measuring those figures. See, I'll show you which figures you have to measure. Okay. This is what the shapes we have on the textbook, right? These are all 4 shapes I have drawn. Angles I have drawn there. We have to measure those angles now. Come on, let us. Okay. So we have to measure now. I'll just rub all these things. Okay. Later. Come on. See here. These 2 rays we have. First, we have to make our center point to merge on this, keep on this vertex. Then we have to make baseline to merge on any of the ray. So what I'll do, I'll make this ray to be on baseline, okay? See here. This is the baseline, center. See baseline. Okay, see baseline. Let us check where is ray. Here. Right? Here is the. So, this is our angle. Which 45 or 135? Baseline was here. Where is 0 here? 0 is inside. So we have to refer inner scale. That means 45 is our angle measurement. So how much? It is 45 degree. Right? Next one. Come on. See. Center point. Baseline. See the baseline. Right? Now, see where is this? Here is our ray, isn't it? Final rays here. So, measure. It's 130 because baseline was here. So, on this side, 0 is inside. So, we have to refer inner scale. So, it is 130. See here? It is 130, right? So, therefore, it is 130 degree. Right? Yes. Next to this one. See, it's without measuring also we can see, but still let us. See, we have made a center here, baseline. This is final ray, it is here. Right? What's the measurement? Exactly 90 degree, isn't it? This is 90 degree. Okay? Next D1. See, here 3 angles are there. Almost everyone will get confused here only how to measure. Same trick, whatever you used here, same thing you have to do here also. See, here we have 3 angles, along with that we have 3 vertices also. Right? So first, to measure this, I'll keep this center and baseline. Here baseline, center, baseline. Okay, this is baseline and this is the line we have. So now this baseline we made. What is the measure of angle here? Baseline on this side I made. So here 0 is outside. So here it is 60 degree. Okay? That is 60 degree, not 120 degree. Now we should not refer inner scale, outer scale, because 0 is outside. Our baseline is showing 0 on outer scale, not inner scale. Right? Yes. Next, here, this is the vertex. So let us keep this vertex here and baseline. Even here also baseline showing 0 on outer scale only. And so here is our another ray, right? So this is ray. What is the angle measurement here? This is 135. You can measure if you get some errors or some differences, no problem. In your textbook, how much you will get, that much only. But measure carefully. In the same way, now last one. Keep this here. Okay. See, this is the another way here. So it shows 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Right? Yes. Very funny. And it was good also, right? Yes. Now, next one we have 5th and 6th is for you. That is your homework. Okay? 5th and 6th is your homework, and remaining 7th is fill in the blank. You can try it by yourself how to do. Right? 5th and 6th, see, they have given 2 angles. You have to compare them and say which angle is greater. That comparison, once you have to do by estimation, another one's using exact measurement. By estimation means generally, just to see. Okay, generally how can you estimate that angle, which one you can see which is larger. Later measure it, write the measures and then compare them. Okay, then remaining from 7 to 11, I'll do it in the next clipping. Okay, but before that, one more clipping I'll go for only with the portion which we completed. Okay, shall we? Yes. So we'll meet in the next clipping. Until then, keep measuring the angles, keep using the protractor. Okay, bye-bye.